Hello, this is Andrew Amigo and from The Accomplished Brain, and I wanted to give a little bit of a series, small videos on head posture and why it's so important. So commonly, one of my evaluations that I look at, I'm going to do a whole series on some of the evaluations that I do. Head posture to me is extremely important, and it can tell me a lot of things about what part of the brain is weak or what part of the brain is overactive. There's a neurologist from Case Western University. His name is Dr. Asif Sheikh, Dr. Sheikh AG. So Dr. Asif Sheikh. He's brilliant neurologist. Now, I never have met him. I've just sort of read some of his articles, and he had just an amazing article about a neurological condition called dystonia. And basically what dystonia is the brain gets information from different systems. From the visual system, it gets information from your coordination system, it gets information from your muscle system. There's receptors called proprioceptors, and one of these systems is not giving the proper information. And then what happens is there's an area of the brain that takes all this information in, and it basically it makes a computation, sends it to the brain, and now the brain fires muscles and we can move properly. And one of these systems gets distorted, and when that happens, we usually get a posture that we're stuck. So the muscles are contracted, and the reason the muscles are contracted, it's an area that the muscles feel really comfortable in because there's an imbalance. So in the article, he talks about head tilting and potential areas of the brain that are being affected. And what I usually do is I took that article and I just applied it to all my clients, looked at their head posture, and I was able to correct it using simple head movements or eye movements. And it's really just fascinating. And again, that's not to say that some other therapies do not work, because the body is complex. And I want people to understand that I have a way of looking at things. I think a lot of things from the brain, because I think the brain is involved in so many different things. If it's functioning right, it makes the other systems work that much better. So in this kind of series, I'm going to go into the two different head postures that I see, but I just kind of want to talk about how important and why I came across this and kind of what I do. Thank you.